In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size in Canva. If you've ever needed the same design in a different format, maybe turning a square post into a widescreen banner, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so everything stays clean and consistent. Start by opening your design in Canva. With your project on the screen, head to the File menu at the top. This is a great place to confirm your current size before you change anything. You'll see the exact dimensions listed there, like 1080 by 1080 pixels for a standard square post. Knowing your starting point helps you decide where you are going next, and it prevents accidental downscaling or stretching. Next, click the Resize and Magic Switch button in the top menu. This is where all resizing options live. You can pick from Canva's preset sizes, which are organized by common formats such as social media posts, presentations, and documents. These presets take the guesswork out of standard sizes. If you have a specific target in mind, you can also type in a custom width and height, like 1920 by 1080 pixels for full HD. Keep an eye on units. Pixels are typical for digital designs, so your final output looks crisp on screens. When you've chosen your new size, decide how you want Canva to apply the change. You can resize the current design, which updates the file you are working on, or select Copy and Resize to create a new version and keep the original untouched. Copy and Resize is perfect when you want to test a new layout without losing your initial design. Resizing the current design is best when you are confident and want to keep things streamlined. After the change is applied, take a moment to confirm the new dimensions. You can quickly check them again under the File menu. It's a simple step that ensures you ended up with exactly what you selected, whether that's a preset format or a custom size. Keep in mind that when you move from a square to a wide rectangle, Canva does its best to intelligently reposition content, but layout shifts can happen. That's normal with different aspect ratios. That's it. Thanks for watching.